Welcome to my channel CADman Tutorials. Today we are going to create this drawing in AutoCAD in a step-by-step method. So let's get started. So first I try to take this vertical line and then this horizontal line from here to here and from here to here by creating two lines. Say L, enter, and click a point and create a vertical line, and then go for L command and create a horizontal line from here to here. And now from the intersection point of these two lines, from here we try to create dia 80 and dia 40 circles. So go to C command, enter C to get the circle of dia 40, give D, enter, say 80. And now go to C, enter again to create this dia 40 circle. Come to the intersection point, say D, enter, and 40. Now in order to get this center line, I try to offset the same line to a distance of 104. So come here, go to offset, say 104, enter. So I'll click and place it over here, and now I try to offset again this line to a distance of 44 in order to get the baseline of the component. Say offset 44, click here and place it over here. Now we'll try to create dia 50 and radius 40 from this intersection point of line. So go to circle command, C, enter, and first I try to create this R40, say R40, and then go to circle command, come to the intersection point, say dia 50. Now I try to join these two lines with the baseline by offsetting 40 from this center line to the either sides, because the length between these two lines is given as 80. So I try to offset the center line either sides by giving value 40 and 40. Say offset to 40 to the right side and to the left side. Now I try to remove these extra lines, so these lines, to get the required profile. So I give command TR for trim, try to trim out this, trim out, trim out, trim out, and I try to trim out. Yeah, now I got the required profile, and even this I'll try to trim out. So the next thing what we do is, from the center line we try to offset to 100 in order to get this vertical line. So that is distance 100, we try to offset through 100 to get this solid line. Say offset 100, I'll take a center line and offset over there, and I try to join these two lines. So remember that I have told a shortcut. In order to join these two lines, you need not extend and trim again to get the edges together. So there is a shortcut called fillet F, enter, radius, enter, says 0, select the endpoints of these two lines, and that will get connected. Okay, now we try to offset. So before trying to offset, first we try to make this radius 105, this radius 105, so that we get a profile and we can offset, because this entire thing is offset have an offset of 15. So first we try to create this arc of radius 105. So in order to create that arc, so go to circle, enter. Here in the bottom you can see tan radius. So here the bottom, here you can see tan radius. So if you click on that, it will ask for the first tangent of the circle. So this is my tangent, and next the second tangent is the circle, and give what is the radius 105. So you get a circle. Taking this as a first tangent and taking this as a second tangent, it will create a circle. Now we try to remove the extra part, and I'll try to trim out in order to get my required profile. So now we try to offset this line to 15 and this arc along with this vertical line to 15 in order to get our inner profile. So I say offset 15, say again 15 and 15. So now we are going to trim out the extra objects that doesn't require for the drawing. See, trim, I trim out this, I wanted this profile, and I try to trim out this. Now I try to break down the center lines so that it looks better. So I'll try to break from here to here and from here to here. Now we try to give the fillets. So fillet radius. So now we are going to give this radius R20 on the other side. So say fillet radius 20 from here and here. So we try to mirror the same thing because we have the same radius 20 on the other side. So we try to, or we try to take one more circle of the same radius. Radius 40. And try to give the fillet radius 20 on this side. Okay, now we got the required profile. So then we try to remove this bottom one. So then the next thing what we need to do is, like, we need to give this radius R10 and this R10 on the bottom side. So go to fillet radius, give radius 10, and similar way the same radius to the bottom. Okay, now the drawing is done. We try to change this to center lines. So select your solid lines, go to line properties and change it to center lines. Now we are left out with the dimensioning. So we'll go to the linear dimensioning. So first we give the linear dimensions from here to here is 140. So try to increase the arrow size, go D, enter, go to modify. Here it's 3, let's make it as 5. So set current and close. Okay, this is 140. And from here to here is 100. And from here to here is 80. and from here to this end point is 44, and from here to here it is 104. And from here to here it is 15. And now try to give the aligned dimension from here to here it is 15. Now give the radius dimensions, like this is R10, and this is R10, this is R20, and this is R40. Now let's give diameter dimensions. This diameter is 80 and this is 40, and this is diameter 50. So we forgot to give this bigger radius as 105. So finally it's done. So if you have any doubt, you can comment me, or you can mail me at cadman16414@gmail.com. Thank you.